And in today's video, Shure mv7. What's on the box? Voice isolation technology, auto level mode, live stream ready, customer sound signature, real-time headphones monitoring, touch panel control, mic stand compatible. There is no stand, but it is compatible. What? Is it factory sealed? It is, look. Factory sealed. Let's open it. Welcome to the better sound. Oh. Pull it. All right. Alrighty then. Ooh. Quick start guide for the ultimate control. And there it is. Let me smell it first. Voila, messieurs. Huh. Okay. USB Type-C to USB to micro USB and USB micro to USB-A. Alright, nice. Shure, I'm sure it's Shure. Safety guide, yeah? No, it's not. Arabic, oh, in Arabic. Okay. Shure limited warranty. There you go. Ah, cold. Wow. Wow. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Now, it has a micro USB, headphone jack, and XLR. We're going to use it with a micro. There's that touch it's not the screen, touch buttons. So you can mute, there it is, there's the mute button, block, other way around, and volume, I think. Well, the build quality is super nice. Ooh. Now, this part is plastic, but everything else, nice. If you press both those buttons for a couple of seconds, it will lock that. Those buttons, all of them, yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, we need to connect.
This is how it sounds like. But you cannot talk to the side of it. You cannot use it like this, because this is a directional microphone. I have to talk directly to it. It sounds really, really good. It's a next level sound. Like I said on the box, I think it's better, way better than any USB microphone. I'm talking about USB microphone, not DSLR. But I have a couple of things which I don't like, especially USB cable. It is a little bit loose. I lost connection one, just one time. This is brand new microphone, and in time, if it goes looser, it could be the same issue like in the Yeti and other USB micro USB microphones. Why use micro USB? Maybe USB Type C would be better. Or this big USB, I don't remember the name. It's a big one, like in it's not USB Type A. It's a USB to your printer. It's same like in your printer. It's a huge square one. Anyway, but this is how it sounds like. And let's see what's on the app. Presets. So you can save your preset. Mute. Okay, it was muted. Monitor. You can listen more of your voice and more of your playback. I cannot show you this because how? Anyway, there's also a near and far position. Wow, and this could be a deal breaker for you because not everybody wants to stick your mouth into the microphone like that. Now, let me put it back a little bit. Now the volume is way lower, isn't it? Now it's on the far position, and the volume is stays the same, and it's like 40 centimeters. Nice. There's also a tone function, dark tone. It's very dark. I love how dark it is, but maybe sometimes it's too dark. It all depends on the voice. If your voice is already dark, this could be too dark. It all depends. I prefer natural sound. There's also a bright sound, which is, for me, a little bit too bright, but it all depends on the voice itself, personal preference. There's also a live meter. Live meter will show meter on the microphone. And there's also night mode, which will dim those lights. They are not very bright, so if you like, dim them. Now, there's also a manual mode, and in the manual mode, we also have basically the same thing all the way to equalizer. Okay, and there's a manual gain. Why it's on maximum? I will go back to that. There's an equalizer, of course. Let me just put like this. High pass, very nice. Present boost and high pass and present boost. There's also a limiter, which is okay, I guess. It's electronic limiter. It is working. And compression. Light compression, medium compression, and heavy compression. And that's all the same. Now, why it's on the 36 dB? Why it's on the maximum settings? Well, for some reason, this microphone needs a lot of gain, at least in my case. It's way more gain than any USB microphone because it's a dynamic microphone. I have to direct. Yeah, it's different. If I go any lower, if I go to the 20 decibels, that's not loud enough, isn't it? Exactly. But that's nothing. I also had to go plus 10 dB with OBS. I'm recording with OBS. Look, if I go lower, if I go to 0, I don't think this will be loud enough. So let's go back to 9 is okay. And also in Windows, I had to put 100%. So way higher than any USB mic. And soon we're going to compare it to the Yeti and the Rode. See you next video. Bye.